Hello friends. Today, we will learn about Python language. Firstly, we know that, what is Python, what is variable, what is object-oriented, what syntax we used, etc. Python. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. It is easy to learn rather than other programming language. Its syntax is too easy and readable. It uses indentation. Syntax refers to the rules that define for the structure of programming language which is followed at the time of programming. For example, uses of brackets, functions, etc. in C, Java and languages are example to understand the syntax. Here, there are two programs. One is written in C language which have different syntax, and another is in Python, which have a different syntax. In C, curly bracket uses, whether, in Python, no bracket is used. Interpreted. Interpreted means which is executed line by line, rather than whole program at a time. Example PHP, Ruby, Python. Object-oriented. Object-oriented is based on the concept of object. It is used to real-world entities which is abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation. Example, Java, Python, C++, etc. Indentation refers to the space at the beginning of the line of code. Variable refers the name for reserve the memory location to store the values. Example, x equals 5. Here, x is a variable, which means that x store the value 5 in the computer memory. Variable type. There are 5 types of variable. Numbers, 2, 2.5, 67,77,788 liters, 6.5J. String, hello world. Dictionary, dict5 list, 23, omit, widget 2.34 tuple, omit, 234,1.5. Rule for declare a Python variable. First, a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. Second, a variable name cannot start with a number. Third, a variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores, AZ, 0 to 9, and underscore. Fourth, variable names are case sensitive. Age and age are 3 different. Python comment. Single line comment. In Python, hash symbol is used to write single line comment which will not executed in the program. Example, hash addition of 2 number. Multi-line comment. In Python, for multi-line comment we can write in between triple quote. Example, addition of 2 number. Let's see an example to understand the comment. Here, in this program, comment, adding of 2 number is written, but before comment, hash symbol is used, which will not be executed. An example of Python, for adding 2 numbers. Addition of 2 numbers. A equals 5. B equals 6. C equals A plus B. Print C. Output, 11. Here, A, B, C, is a variable.